the Thanksgiving ceremony is always a time of grief. And as I entered the church and I shook the saint's hand and I looked him in the eyes, I saw his grief. But I want to say to you, Saint, the entire nation mourns you. The entire nation embraces your family and surrounds you with prayers at this difficult time. As I sat there trying to collect my thoughts, I immediately looked up some of the things you said about your father. And in an interview, you said that my father didn't speak much, but when he spoke, we listened. And I believe that summed up the character of the man. See, I thought you saying this now. I believe that summed up the character of the man. But you also said that whatever I am today, it was because of my parents. He gave credit to his parents. It is not easy to be a world champion. And I'm certain that it would have taken Usain's village to raise him to become this world champion. But it all started in the home. And so I decided to accept the late invitation to speak and not to stay too long because a long list of persons giving tribute. But Usain is a global icon, a national hero, a national asset, and every